Finding the best 3-in-1 microwave air fryer convection oven can feel overwhelming when you want speed, versatility, and fewer appliances on your counter. The direct answer is this. The best 3-in-1 microwave air fryer convection oven combines fast microwave heating, crispy air frying, and even convection baking in one smart unit. From my own experience in real US kitchens, this combo saves space, cuts cooking time, and handles everything from weeknight leftovers to weekend meals. After testing and reviewing multi-function ovens over time, I know what actually performs well beyond specs. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 4. Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer Oven. This Cuisinart is built for everyday convenience. The 3-in-1 cooking power lets me microwave lunch, air fry snacks, and bake dinner in one spot. I really like the precision heat control, which helps food cook evenly with less oil. Fries and wings come out crisp, not dry. The one-touch presets save time on busy days, especially for frozen snacks. With 11 power levels, reheating feels more controlled and less harsh. The compact yet spacious interior handles a family-sized chicken, which surprised me for its size. I also enjoy the adjustable time temp settings when I want more control. The main downside is the smaller 0.6 cubic feet space for large casserole dishes. Still, for apartments and quick meals, this microwave air fryer combo feels practical, reliable, and easy to live with. Number 3. Frigidaire 3-in-1 1.1 cubic foot countertop microwave oven. This Frigidaire feels made for real life. The 3-in-1 cooking system saves counter space and cuts down on clutter. I use it to reheat meals, air fry snacks, and bake small dishes without turning on a big oven. The 1.1 cubic foot capacity works well for US homes, especially apartments and condos. The air fry function gives fries and wings a crisp bite with very little oil. It's great for quick weeknight food. With even convection heat, cookies and roasted veggies cook evenly, no burnt edges. The controls are simple, and the modern steel design looks clean on the counter. One thing to note is the interior feels slightly tight for oversized dishes. Still, for daily cooking, this unit delivers flexibility, speed, and convenience in one smart appliance. Number 2. Galanz GSWA16S1SA10 3-in-1 microwave. This one surprised me in a good way. The 3-in-1 SpeedWave setup feels very practical for busy days. I can microwave lunch, bake dinner, and air fry snacks in one spot. The Total Fry 360 tech is the real highlight. It crisps wings and fries with little oil, and cleanup is easy. I use Combi speed cooking when I want fast results without soggy food. It blends microwave and convection well. The true convection heat helps food cook evenly as it spins, which I noticed with baked chicken and potatoes. For US kitchens, the 1.6 cubic feet size feels just right for family meals. The only downside is the air fry fan can be a bit loud. Still, it delivers speed, crunch, and flexibility in one solid countertop unit. Number 1. Breville BMO870BSS CombiWave 3-in-1 Microwave. This is one of those appliances that actually earns its counter space. I like how 3-in-1 cooking lets me air fry fries, bake brownies, and reheat leftovers without swapping machines. The Element IQ system feels smart in daily use, sending heat where it's needed so food cooks evenly. When I'm short on time, fast Combi mode really shines, especially for weeknight meals straight from the freezer. The power smoothing inverter is great for reheating pizza and soup without rubbery edges. I also rely on smart preset controls for simple tasks, which makes it very beginner-friendly. The quiet, soft closed door is a nice touch for busy US homes, especially early mornings. The only downside is the learning curve at first, but once dialed in, it's a powerful, flexible upgrade for modern kitchens. Final verdict. After testing all these multifunction ovens, my top pick for the best 3-in-1 microwave air fryer convection oven is the Breville BMO870BSS CombiWave 3-in-1 microwave. It earns its counter space with smart heating, fast combi cooking, and quiet, easy operation. The Element IQ system and smart presets make daily meals and busy weeknight dinners simpler and more consistent. If you want a great all-around choice with strong air fry performance and excellent family-friendly capacity, the Galanz GSWA16S1SA10 3-in-1 SpeedWave microwave is worth considering. Its total fry 360 tech and true convection deliver crispy, even results without heavy oil. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the 3-in-1 microwave that fits your style and kitchen best.